Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here is Lydia and me, and today we're going to show you how we're replacing non-LED bulbs, the old C7 Christmas bulbs, into the new LED ones. Took me a long time to find the right type of bulbs that looked good and looked like the old-fashioned type. So many of them are not right, and I'll make sure that I put the link of where you need to buy it at the bottom of my feed, so make sure to check that out. So these are the bulbs. I buy them from HLO. It's basically holidaylightingoutlet.com, and bought them also off Amazon. If you search on Amazon, they're really far down in the list, but you can see what they look like. They're called smooth, and they are definitely smooth. And the way they light up, they light up perfectly. So these are the ones, the C7 bulbs. And these look exactly like the old style. If you get any that have bumps on them or anything like that, not going to work out very well for you. They don't look as polished and like the old-fashioned lights. So I put the C7 string lights all the way up. It's a 60-degree day, so I'm taking the opportunity to put these lights up, make sure the bulb's all good. But you can see they flow that entire direction of the frame of the house, and then I just go up and change each one of them. Now what you could do is you could buy these. I have not been able to find the smooth LED bulbs on the C7 strings, so I buy the C7 strings with the old bulbs in it, and then as they die I replace them with the LEDs. So, but you could just buy a whole bunch of bulbs and replace them with LEDs all at one time if you wanted to. So you can see here's my old style bulbs. They do work, but they're just really faded from the sun, and you can kind of see that how faded they are. And then I just put it on my pocket or else, and kind of doing this at an angle. Let's see here. Little clips are dying. There we go. And that's what it looks like. So here's a video of the lights as they are right now, and then I'll make another one here when it's pitch dark.
The top.
Where's there one out?
There's multiple up at the top.
Shut up. No, there isn't. Just blink a couple times.
Move your head back and forth. It'll look fine. I believe you, baby. I believe you.
Wait, no. What do you mean, Lydia? The whole row's out.
The whole row's out. Yeah, it stops there. Oh, there is one out. Dang it.
Sucker.
Oh well. Anyway, so that's what the lights look like. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like the video and subscribe. Have a great day.